Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Bluesky application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bluesky app on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the create account as well as the sign in button. Tap on the sign in button in order to log into your existing account. You will now be asked to choose your hosting provider as well as to enter your account details. Now, if you have a custom hosting provider, you can click on the edit button alongside Bluesky Social and then choose the custom option to enter your own server address. Otherwise, just leave it as it is and then enter your username or your email address. After entering this information, just type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the next button, and now you will be logged in to your Bluesky account right away, and you can start making your post and browse through the various feeds. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Bluesky application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.